Chrysler 300C 2008 HEMI 5.7. What we got done on it? Something, you know, we usually don't do. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X pipe there. Then we only put 2 FLOWMASTER Super 10s. One there, one there. Part number 842512. There'll be a link in the description for them. As you guys can see right there. There they are. Beautiful. And then we kept the rear resonators on it. There and there. He didn't want it too loud. That's why we left them on there. There's a suitcase muffler that was on it. We cut it off right there. And he kept the factory tips out the back. There and there, as you guys can see. So it's only got 2 FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there. There'll be a link in the description for all of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Chrysler 300C HEMI 5.7 FLOWMASTER Super 10. You guys want that hollow, nice deep tone? Go with the FLOWMASTER Super 10. Not bad. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. Go ahead and back it out. Ain't bad at all. Sounds good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. For 300C with FLOWMASTER Super 10 instead of that suitcase that was on it.